This was an old broken-down American muscle car, covered in rust, empty from the inside. First, it was completely taken apart, every single part removed, so it could be given a new life. Then the rust was stripped away. The body was welded, and the metal was made straight again. After that came the deep candy red paint, a color that captures attention instantly. The engine was fully rebuilt. The suspension was strengthened, so it could roar once again. Inside, a brand new interior was installed. Fresh black leather with a clean classic look. And finally, this is the end result. A pure American muscle car, ready to rule the road once again.